as a reminder, we run a lot of events that are designed to help you grow successful community businesses. And we have replays. They are on YouTube. I highly recommend you subscribe because not only do you get the full recordings there, you get awesome shorts, the best of the best kind of mashups of the either funny, fun, or highly impactful educational moments. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is you can go to HeartbeatChat/YouTube as a quick way to get there. And then also in Hearth. So the Hearth is our, like I said, our customer community. We have all the recordings in there. We also have links to special additional documents that our tutorial hosts share. So it's worth joining just for those additional resources. Most of our tutorial guest hosts give a lot of things that are normally paid access for free when they present with us. So definitely want to get in there and check that out. Recently, we had Lisa Princik on a winning membership blueprint, focusing on the beginnings of structure to a sold-out launch. Really worth a rewatch if you're looking for fundamental roadmaps on that. Very impactful. Elijah Drown came out with AI-powered content for busy community builders. The idea is how to encourage connection and humanity by preserving the human elements of what you want to do and automating the stuff that's just a distraction from that. So you can bring the most and authentic part of yourself to your community, creating posts, prompts for events, chat messages, all of that. And just yesterday, we had Laura Sprinkle with an affiliates roadmap. Now, Laura has a history of high levels of success with affiliate revenue. Her systems have generated $44 million in affiliate revenue. That was the playbook she shared. Get into the Hearth, get on YouTube, go watch that if you missed it, because I took notes, like big notes, like pages. So, and everybody oh, I know marketing and all that. She knows affiliates. Like she's deep into that. So definitely worth checking out. Really awesomely grateful to have her do this event. Also, as a reminder, we have interest groups in the Hearth. So if you like specific topics like marketing, if you like topic like learning how to use courses, either to create them and sell them, and if you like, can you scroll up a little bit more, Nick? Misty Dorman has the automations support group. So if that's another topic that you want to learn more about, these are special interest groups that you can choose to join. You are not automatically opted in the Hearth, but when you do, you access all of the events that these special interest groups have, as well as channels to chat about that topic. So really worth checking them out, not just for the topic, but also for how special interest groups work in a community, which could be a really cool thing you can swipe and do in your own space, just to think. Awesome. So that's what we have for communities. We're going into the future.